In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add moving averages in TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to get a moving average line onto your chart so you can start smoothing out price action and spotting trends more easily. First, open your web browser and head over to the TradingView website. This is where all the charting tools live, and it's the home base for the indicator you're about to add. Once the page loads, look toward the top of the site and click on Products. That's your gateway into the core charting experience where indicators are managed and displayed. With the chart interface in view, find the Indicators button. It usually sits along the top of the chart area. Go ahead and click it to open the Indicators panel. This panel is where you can search across built-in tools, community scripts, and your favorites, but today we're keeping it simple. In the search box that appears, type Moving Average. TradingView will immediately filter the list to show matches. You'll likely see several options, including variations like exponential or weighted versions. For a straightforward classic moving average, you're looking for the one simply named moving average under the built-ins category. This is the standard option most traders start with when they want a clean read of average price over a set period. When you see moving average in the list, choose it, then click on it to add it to your chart. Instantly, you'll notice a smooth line overlaying the price candles. That's your moving average. It updates with each new bar and helps you visualize overall direction by reducing noise in the price action. If you're scanning quickly, look for its label near the top left of the chart or in the indicator legend so you can confirm it's applied. A couple of quick tips as you get oriented. The line's default settings, such as period and color, are meant to work out of the box, and you can leave them as is while you get comfortable. If you prefer something like a faster line for short-term momentum or a slower one for broader trends, that's something you can explore later in the indicator settings. Also, keep in mind that your chart's time frame affects how the moving average reads the data, so the same indicator can look different on a 5-minute chart versus a daily chart. That's it. Simple and effective. You've successfully added a moving average in TradingView and you're ready to start analyzing price with more confidence.